Hey guys, what's up? Today is gonna be a little bit different because I've been wanting to do this for a very long time. I've been dyeing my hair for over a year, so it's been quite the journey. It's just gotten to the point where my hair is breaking, it's falling out. I think I've tried everything in the book. Nothing seemed to be working out for me. Recently, I was showering. A huge chunk of my hair came off. I kind of got really scared and I was debating on dyeing it back to black, but I did my research, I looked it up and I realized that's completely normal if you have over processed hair. To not freak out, stay calm, there's ways to fix it. I came across the ApHogee 2-step protein treatment. I'm gonna be trying this out. I know if you don't do it correctly, you could end up with like bald spots or loss of hair instead of like trying to revive your hair. Make sure you have a few hours so you're not rushed. A few clips to make your hair easy to section off. Spray bottle so you can evenly distribute. A wet brush if you don't have one. This is the eco-friendly brush by Wet Brush. And then of course your products. I'm back and I just shampooed my hair with Olaplex. Now I'm gonna dry it out. It's better to use like a cotton shirt rather than a towel. I know that prevents like a little bit of breakage, and you want to apply this product to damp hair. Okay, so now that my hair is brushed out, I'm just gonna make sure it's as damp as possible. Okay, it looks pretty funky, but it'll do. So, like I said, too much protein could be bad for your hair. So I just put a little bit in this spray bottle and I'm just gonna spray it. Brush it out just to make sure it's all evenly distributed throughout your hair to your ends. And guys, so basically my whole head is done and I only poured half of the product into this bottle and I still have all of this left. So you can definitely use this protein treatment if you have thin hair like me, like multiple times. If you have thicker hair, maybe it'll go by a little bit faster, but you'll still have enough for at least 2 rounds of doing this. After that, it actually says to use one of those, I don't know what they're called. What they go to the salon, those caps, I don't know. They recommend using that. Who has one of those sitting and laying around at their homes? Not me. So if you don't just have one of those lying around, a hair blow dryer works just as great. Blow dry your hair until it gets hard and crispy, and that's when you know the product has locked on to your strands of hair. After you blow dry it, your hair should be like a little bit hard. And then once you brush it out, apply the balancing moisturizer just as you would apply any other conditioner. So it says apply liberally, so that's what we're gonna do. It smells like lavender incense. Screw that. Make sure you get in between your hair. We want this to sit just for like 2 minutes and then you can rinse out like you would any conditioner. Okay guys, so I just rinsed out the balancing moisturizer and my hair feels so much smoother. And about like when my hair dries, because I'm gonna let it dry naturally instead of using a blow dryer. And I'm also not gonna brush my hair now because I noticed when I brush it, I don't get the same waves that I do when I just let it. Buddy, are you okay? Come here, bud. So I'm gonna let my hair air dry. I will get back to you guys on that one. Guys, okay. I don't even know where to begin. Basically, I've tried almost everything and I am so incredibly shocked that something actually worked. Other products would make my hair smooth, but it looked nice and everyone's like, oh, like your hair looks so much better. But this was the first time that it actually not only looks good, but feels good too. It's really soft and I'm just so shocked. I can't put it into words. Yeah, so that's basically it. I'm going to do a video for sure on just like my hair journey in all, because I feel like there's a lot that goes into it, and if you're thinking about dyeing your hair, I definitely will make a video about that. So this is how it looks, and stay tuned for the next vid, guys.